in the middle.
Yeah. We'll do
Oh,
a little.
no, right.
Like
Ditto.
something like this.
Yeah.
That's. Oh, I just got you with my hair. Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I am back with another hair video. I did like a super long wing. I've got fake dimples that look really fake. You might have questions. You might be like, Lana, why do your eyebrows look like that?
Hey, why are you asking her that?
I've got the same question. I don't know why it's so hard to make your eyebrows look different to how they usually look. Today I am doing an Ariana Grande transformation. In this video I'm just going to focus on the hair because honestly the makeup was just like trial and error. I didn't know what I was doing. The hair, I know what I'm doing. And I just want to say that this video is sponsored by Mark Hill Hair. They have supplied all of the products that I'm going to use today, and I am going to be working with Mark Hill long term. I love everybody that works there. Mark himself is fantastic, so I'm super happy to be working with Mark Hill, and you will see a lot of them through this video. Of course, I will leave all of the products down below. Oh my god, if you're excited to see Ariana Grande live on tour, she's starting her European leg soon. If you are excited, because I know I am, then give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair care content. With all that being said, let's get on to the tutorial. Obviously, my hair is curly. Ariana Grande's natural hair is curly too, but we are going to do one of her tour looks for this video, and she wears a very long straight ponytail. I don't have a straight ponytail, but I do have this one with waves in, which I think is just a little bit more Ariana Grande. This is more of an Ariana Grande inspired look today rather than a full transformation. So I'm going to tuck my hair away so that you can't see it. I am going to have to get my hair to look super sleek. So oh my god, my water bottle is broken. It's spraying and I'm not holding it. So I am just spraying the top section of my head so that I can brush it all down flat. It was about wet enough. I'm literally just gonna brush it like this. This is another Tangle teaser. You guys have seen it before. I don't know the name of this exact model, but I use it pretty often. I'll try to leave it linked below. So you're gonna have to want to get your hair pretty high on your head, like this high should do. Also, Ariana Grande, she does have like swoopies like this. So you're gonna need to swoop like this. So I'm looking at the pictures from her Instagram from when she did a shoot for Givenchy.
You're saying it weird.
And I've noticed that she often pulls a piece of hair down like this. She did it in the God is a Woman promotional material, and I've seen her do it a few other times. Don't worry, we are not just going to leave it like just curly like this. We are going to do something about that. So we're going to bring down this area of hair right here as well, just like that. Just literally just bring it down. Then you're going to want to tie that as tightly as you can using a hair tie. And now, because my hair is so big and I don't actually want my natural hair to poke through for this look. I mean, if you guys just have like a small amount of hair, if you just have like short hair, or you can just wrap this away, just wrap it away in whichever way you can. But for me, I think it's going to be easiest if I maybe braid it. So I'm going to turn it into a really tight little plait just to get it out of my way. What I'm actually going to use for the edges right here is the Mark Hill Perfecting Polish. For me, I feel like it just works for flyaways. It is designed to help tame flyaways. They say it's lightweight and it polishes, it makes everything look shinier and glossier. So I'm actually going to use this all over really. I want to use it to do my edges, lay them down, make sure those swoopies are looking right. Also just to make sure that we don't have any flyaways up here. So I can already see a few starting to come up. So I'm going to put this all over actually so that we can be sleek all around. And another thing with Ariana Grande, which I imagine most people probably don't know, but you can see, especially in these Givenchy images, she has sort of filled in her hairline and just thickened her hair a lot. It's super obvious, to me at least, in the Givenchy images at least. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to thicken my hair out and just get that rounder hairline like what she has. That means sort of coming up here, doing this, And for me, this is literally just a black eyeshadow that I'm doing this with right now. And you'll see it especially here, because although she pulls this piece of hair down, it's almost like her hair doesn't get thin at all here, and that to me is just like everybody gets thin hair here, like that's no secret. So it almost looks as though it's all just one big block of colour. It's completely normal, loads of celebrities do it. More of the perfecting polish. I've just put a little bit on this tiny little baby hair here, because she really has like those tiny baby hairs. We can achieve that just by putting a tiny bit of the perfecting polish there. Okay, now for this giant hairpiece. So I've just checked the Hairstyle website, and this whole hairpiece cost me £7.58. It's not really the style that I wanted. I would prefer to have one of the ones with a tie. This one has a clip. We will do what we can. So I have my plait right here. So let's put it on. It's very securely onto my hair because of the plait behind, but it doesn't look very natural. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but from where I'm sitting, this needs some work. So let's get to work. The clip is clearly visible as it's gripping onto my ponytail. We don't want that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this separate extension like this, and I'm just going to flip it around, and I'm going to clip this over everything, and I'm going to take it behind and I'm going to clip it onto my hair. So I'm going to clip it over here, actually just clipping that into my hair, and that's just going to help to mask that clip a little bit right there. And then I'm taking another hair extension. So with this, I'm going to wrap it around everything, including my own hair. And I'm going to do that again until you cannot see anything here, until it looks like it's literally just been wrapped around with my own hair. So now, because I feel like it is covered up as much as I'm going to be able to cover it up, so I am just literally just going to brush this back. So the spray that I'm going to be using is the Mark Hill Freeze Hold Hairspray. It has got an extreme hold, and they do have another one. They have another one right here, which is the Nourishing Hairspray. But since I'm using this on extensions and not my real hair, I'm just going to go right in and use the Freeze Hold. So I'm going to spray it right here, because I want this to stay like this. So for the rest of my hair now, I'm just going to go in with that nourishing spray that I mentioned, and we're just going to put that on lightly, and I'm just really lightly just going to finish up. And then I did mention to you about these parts of my hair, so I am going to do something about those now. I did want to leave it till last, because what I'm going to have to do is I am going to have to apply heat to these just to straighten them. Ow! But they are such a tiny part of my hair, I don't mind doing it, so I hope you guys don't mind me doing it either. Okay, so here goes. We just want to straighten it and go back. And then the same for this one. I feel like that made a huge difference. Like, not even exaggerating, I feel like that seriously made a huge difference. And with this one too, we're going straight back. Oh, why do I keep going? Oh, don't go to do. Like, no, go do. So that's all we needed the hair straightener for, just a quick one too. Now we're done. I'm actually gonna add some of that perfecting polish to this. Make sure it stays frizz-free. Make sure it stays at the back. Hey, so there you guys have it. That is the Ariana Grande hair transformation. I am actually super happy with how it turned out. I was a bit worried before today, but you know, I think we really did something. I think we did something, you guys. You can actually flip it around and it like doesn't show at the back, you know?
Wanna say goodnight and go. Wanna say goodnight. Baby, say goodnight and go. Wanna say goodnight. Take my rest
comments, obviously tell me how you think I did. Did I do a good job? Did I suck? Because I'm considering wearing this when I go to the concert. Would you wear it to the concert? Okay, well, I'm obsessed with how this looks. I hope that you guys are too. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and if you're going to try it out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Definitely share this video if you feel like somebody else could do with this, be it a friend or just, you know, an Ariana Grande friend. Share it in like your Ariana Grande group chats or like Facebook pages or whatever. And do you know what? I know why she does this now. Like, this is so fun. Wow, okay. It's just like, you just move with it. Anyway, also make sure your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss anything from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Summertime.